Conspiracies will not break him or deter his resolve to continue to work for good education, Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia said on Friday as the CBI conducted raids at his residence and 20 other places. The CBI has arrived and is welcome, Sisodia said on Twitter. Besides the home of the Aam Aadmi Party leader, the probe agency also searched the residence of IAS officer Arava Gopi Krishna and 19 other locations after registering an FIR in connection with the Delhi Excise Policy 2021 and 2022. We are hardcore honest and are shaping the future of lakhs of children. It is very unfortunate that those who do good work in our country are harassed like this. That is why our country could not become the number one, Sisodia said. In a series of posts on Twitter, he said they will extend full cooperation in the probe so the truth emerges soon. Sisodia alleged that people were troubled by the excellent work being done in Delhi in the sectors of education and health. That's why he said Delhi's education and health ministers had been caught, a reference to himself and Satyendra Jain, who is behind bars. There are false allegations against us and the truth will emerge in the court, he said.